Nowadays, it is very convenient to buy and sell products through wireless handheld devices such as smartphones or tablets. This commercial transaction is known as mobile commerce or mCommerce. mCommerce fraud is becoming a serious problem for online merchants. There are a few types of mCommerce frauds that you need to be beware of. 1. Account takeover fraud. Account takeover fraud happens when fraudsters steal users' login credentials and compromise users' accounts to make purchases. Users' login credentials are captured by fraudsters when they log in via a phishing link in an email or install a dodgy mobile app to make purchases. 2. True fraud. True fraud involves fraudsters making purchases from mobile devices using stolen credit card info. Recently, many organizations have suffered data breaches which led to customers' payment information being stolen and resold on the dark web. 3. Loyalty app fraud. In this type of fraud, the fraudster hacks into the loyalty app to steal gift card credits or credit card credentials. They may also redeem loyalty points for its cash equivalent. Using the FraudLabs Pro Fraud Screening service, merchants can minimize their chargebacks or fraud losses. Merchants can also utilize the FraudLabs Pro SMS verification as part of a two-factor authentication before any financial transaction. Secure your online business with FraudLabs Pro Fraud Detection for free now.